In this lesson, you will learn how maps help us understand places and how to choose a map for a particular need. Imagine looking down at a familiar neighborhood from high above. The school, pond, road, and houses are all there, but a simple drawing beside the view makes their positions easier to notice. What has the drawing kept, and what has it left out? These flat sheets represent places of very different sizes, from a neighborhood to the whole world. A map is a scaled drawing of an area on a flat surface that helps us locate places and see how they relate. Look at the 3 flat sheets. A map represents a real area. It turns a real place into something we can use. Real places are too large to place on a desk, so a map reduces them while keeping the positions and relationships that matter. This lets us study a place clearly without being in every part of it. Think about what studying a place needs. Maps make places easier to study. This helps us focus on the information we need. Look closely at the sheets before you answer. What makes the 3 flat sheets maps? Let us check what they have in common. Each sheet represents an area of the Earth on a flat surface. Next, let us see why a map uses a view from above and leaves out some details. The aerial view contains many small details, but the top view map keeps the road, school, pond, park, and homes that matter. A map selects useful information for a purpose. It is not an exact photograph. Compare the 2 views closely. What has the map left out? The clearest difference is this. A useful map leaves out extra details. The map keeps the road, school, pond, and other information that helps us use the place. If a map copied every tiny detail, important places would be hard to find. By leaving out what is not needed and keeping relationships such as the school beside the road, the map makes positions easier to compare. Focus on the details a map keeps. Maps keep useful details. Extra details can hide the places we need to find. Think about the map's job. Why is the simplified image a useful map rather than an exact photograph? The important clue is the map's purpose. A simplified map uses a top view and keeps selected useful information while leaving out extra detail. Next, we will study a map made especially to show natural features. The mountains, plateau, plain, river, and ocean are natural features of the region. A physical, or relief, map is made to show these land and water features when we need to study them. Look for features shaped by nature. Physical maps show natural features. Mountains, rivers, and plains are natural features. A physical map highlights the shapes of land and water, so raised mountains, broad plains, rivers, and oceans can be compared clearly. Boundaries and settlement details stay in the background because they are not its main purpose. Match the map to what it shows. Physical maps show mountains and rivers. Natural features are the important clues on a physical map. Recall the features you just examined. Which map should you choose to study mountains and rivers? The natural features give it away. A physical map, also called a relief map. Next, we will examine a map whose main job is to show administrative areas and settlements. The lines divide the region into named areas, and the markers show a city, town, and village. A political map shows administrative boundaries and settlements such as countries, states, districts, and towns. Focus on places and boundaries. Political maps show boundaries and settlements. States, cities, and borders are its main clues. Boundary lines show where one administrative area ends and another begins, while names and settlement markers identify the places inside them. These clues answer questions about territories and settlements, not about the land's natural shape. Link the map's purpose to its details. Political maps show states and cities. These details help us locate administrative areas. Use the boundary clues in the map. Which map should you choose to find state boundaries and cities? The administrative clues identify the map. A political map. Next, we will see how one map can focus on a single topic such as rainfall. The title tells us this map is about rainfall, and the colors show where rainfall is low, medium, or high. A thematic map focuses on one chosen kind of information in a region. Follow the one pattern shown. Thematic maps focus on one topic. Rainfall is one example of such a topic. Focusing on one topic makes its pattern easier to compare because other information does not compete for attention. The same region can have a roads or population map, but each thematic map answers one focused question. Keep the map's single focus in mind. Thematic maps compare one pattern. A focused pattern is easier to compare across a region. Think about the information being compared. Which map type should you choose to compare rainfall across a region? The single topic reveals the map type, a thematic map. Next, we will use map titles and an atlas to find the map that answers a question. The Open Atlas holds many different maps, and each title tells what information its page shows. When we need state boundaries, the title political map guides us to the useful page. Think about the maps gathered in one book. An atlas collects many maps. It brings different places and purposes into one book. An atlas keeps maps for different purposes in one book, so we begin with the question and scan the titles. Matching the question to a title helps us choose the right map instead of studying every page. Let the map's label guide your choice. A map title identifies the map's purpose. The title tells you what information the map shows. Use the atlas step you have learned. What should you read first when choosing a map from an atlas? The first step gives the answer. Read the map title first. Next, we will compare 3 maps of the same region and choose the right one for several purposes. The same region appears in all 3 panels, but each map keeps a different information layer: natural features, boundaries and settlements, or rainfall. Read the title and choose the map that matches your question. Compare the different views of one region. One region can have different map types. The place stays the same, but the information changes. Start with the purpose of the question. Mountains need a physical map, state boundaries need a political map, and rainfall needs a thematic map. Choosing the focused information layer makes the answer easier to find and explain. Start with the question you need answered. Map purpose determines the map type. Choose the map that answers the question you need to ask. Match each purpose with its map type. Match each purpose to a map type: relief, state boundaries, and rainfall. Put each purpose with its matching map. Use a physical map for relief, a political map for state boundaries, and a thematic map for rainfall. You are now ready to use map titles and purposes to choose the right map.